Have you observed why roofing sheets have folding structures? To determine the reason, we will do some experiments. For the experiment, we take a hard paper sheet, two similar-sized water cups, and some stuff as weights. Now, separate the paper cups. Then place the hard paper sheet on paper cups in an even nature. Now put some weight on it. The sheet appears a bit bent. Then add extra weight. The weights cause the sheet to flex more. Now fold the hard sheet into this zigzag pattern. Do as previously. Add the weights to the sheet. Here, the material does not appear to be bent. Also, it can hold greater weight than before and requires less bending. This phenomena corresponds to the physics formula, which states that pressure or stress equals to force divided by surface area. This zigzag shape has a larger surface area to distribute weight on. Also, using this strategy, we may reduce this massive weight of sheet to a little size. This folded form increases the tensile strength of the sheet while also eliminating the risk of thermal expansion and compression. It also helps to drain rainwater by allowing it to travel along folded route. If you liked this information, please like and share it with your friends and family and subscribe for more FYI videos.